Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between plants and animals. As we know, both plants and animals are living things, but there are some differences between plants and animal. Let us know the difference between plants and animal. First difference in their movement. Plants are rooted in one place, so it cannot move from one place to another, but it moves on its own place. Whereas animals move on its own place as well as it has ability to move from one place to another with the help of locomotory organs. But how you know how plants move? Let us see here. Plants move during its growth. When plants grow, it moves upward and also spread outward. Roots of the plant extend and grow inside the soil. Plants move in response to light. It moves and grows towards light. Plants move to give response to touch. When you touch me not plant. It closes its leaves. In insectivorous plant, when insects trap, it closes its flaps. Whereas animals move on its own place as well as it has ability to move from one place to another with the help of locomotory organs. Let us see how animals move. First, we see the movement of animals on its own place, like blinking of eyes. We see the movement of chest and belly when we breathe. Movement of legs and hand. Movement of mouth in herbivorous animals. You might have seen that herbivorous animals, when sit leisurely, it continuously move its mouth. So these are the different movement we see in animal, and they can do in their own place. Next difference. Plants can make their own food and hence are called autotrophic in nature. Whereas animals cannot prepare their own food and hence are heterotrophic in nature. Plants make their own food with the help of water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. But animals need to move from one place to another in search of food. Animals cannot make food in their own body. Third difference. Plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, whereas animals do not carry out photosynthesis and they depend on plant or on other animals for their food. Next difference. Plants have indeterminate growth throughout their life. Growth is not restricted by time limit, whereas animals grow only for a definite period of time and then cease their growth. Plants grow throughout their life. Throughout their life, Some parts of the plant keep growing and coming new, like leaf, branch, root. Animals' growth cease at definite time period. Animals' growth stops after certain age. It does not grow and extend like plants. Next difference. Plants reproduce by making seeds, whereas animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young ones. Plants grow by making seeds. Fruits contain seeds, and from that seeds a new plants germinate and it grow into a big tree. Animals lay eggs or give birth to young ones. Animals belong to fish group, amphibian, reptiles, and birds group. They reproduce by laying eggs, whereas mammals reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. I hope you understood the difference between plants and animal. Read once again all the differences and try to fill the blanks with correct word. This is for you to do. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it for many more new interesting coming videos. Thanks a lot.